Hello everyone, my name is Rose from Blue Rose Creations and welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this channel I want to show you some awesome things I create, but especially how I create them. And in this first video I want to show you how you can add some awesome rusty details to your prop, your Nerf gun or your costume. When you want to add some rust to your project, you have to decide which color rust you're gonna use. You have the brownish bronze rust you use on metal or iron surface, and you have the greenish blue rust which you can use on gold or bronze or copper surfaces. For this video I want to give this Nerf gun I made earlier some rusty spots, and the base of this Nerf gun is made of iron, so I'm going for the brown bronze rust look today. To add the rust you can use some paint like I did with this Nerf gun, but for this bad boy I'm going to use these awesome products which create a more 3D kinda rusty look. To get a realistic rusty details we need a couple of things. The first thing is a powder which contains real pieces of metal or iron. So I have this nice grey iron powder. The second thing we need is a liquid called patina, which if we spray it on the iron powder will start a process of oxidation. So it will turn the grey iron color into the brown rusty color. The patina consists of two components, and first of all I'm gonna mix 2 equal parts of them in a spray container. To get the iron powder on the gun I'm going to add some extra paint to the gun. I used the L-clad aluminium paint as a base color for the gun, so I will use that one now as a medium to get the iron part stick to the gun. So when the paint is still wet I drop some iron powder in the paint. Unfortunately my hand was a little bit in front of the camera, but I took some powder between my fingers and I dropped it in the wet paint. After that I pressed the powder a little bit in the paint to let it stick better. And in the end I want the powder that didn't stick to the paint gone. Last but not least I'm gonna spray a little bit of the patina on the gun. After this you have to be a little patient. The oxidation process takes a couple of hours, so I will put some more powder and patina on different places on the gun and then let the oxidation do its job during the night. We will look at it again tomorrow. So it's about 17 hours later, and as you can see the patina did an awesome job during the night, turning the grey iron into the brown rust we wanted. And if you want more rust, then you just mix some extra patina, spray it on the gun, and the oxidation process will start all over again, so you will get even more rust. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so you will not miss my next video. See you guys soon!